Harry Potter. Harry Potter is one of the most famous fictional characters in modern literature. Known around the world as the boy who lived, his story is not only about magic and adventure, but also about friendship, courage, and the power of choice. Harry's life begins in tragedy. As a baby, he loses his parents, who are killed by the dark wizard, Lord Voldemort. Although Voldemort tries to kill Harry as well, the curse mysteriously fails, leaving Harry with a lightning-shaped scar on his forehead. This moment marks Harry as special, even before he understands who he is. Harry grows up with his relative, the Dursleys, who treat him poorly and hide the truth about his past. He lives an unhappy and lonely childhood, unaware that he is a wizard. Everything changes on his 11th birthday, when he receives a letter inviting him to attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. For the first time, Harry discovers where he truly belongs. At Hogwarts, Harry enters a completely new world filled with magic, moving staircases, and mysterious creatures. He is sorted into Gryffindor House, where he meets his closest friends, Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. Together they learn spells, attend classes, and face challenges far beyond their age. Hogwarts becomes not just a school, but a home where Harry finds friendship and purpose. As the story progresses, Harry learns more about his connection to Voldemort. He discovers that the Dark Wizard is slowly returning to power, and that their destinies are deeply linked. Unlike many heroes, Harry is not powerful because of special talent alone. His true strength lies in his loyalty, bravery, and willingness to protect others. Throughout the series, Harry faces fear, loss, and difficult choices. He witnesses the death of people he loves and learns that the wizarding world is not divided simply into good and evil. Teachers, friends, and even enemies reveal complex motivations. Harry must decide what kind of person he wants to become, regardless of his past. One of the central themes of Harry Potter is the importance of choice. Harry is often compared to Voldemort, but he chooses a different path. While Voldemort seeks power and immortality, Harry values love and sacrifice. This contrast shows that our decisions, not our abilities, define who we are. In the final battle, Harry confronts Voldemort, not with hatred, but with understanding and courage. He accepts the possibility of his own death to protect others, proving that love is stronger than fear. In the end, Voldemort is defeated by his own actions, while Harry survives because of the bonds he has formed. Harry Potter's story continues to resonate with readers of all ages. It reminds us that growing up means facing fear, taking responsibility, and choosing what is right, even when it is difficult. Through magic and fantasy, Harry Potter tells a deeply human story about identity, friendship, and hope.